everyone, this is Jennifer with DP Addiction Adventures, and I am so super excited. Today is Sunday, yesterday was Saturday, meaning I got mail yesterday, and it is not China mail, it is Etsy mail. My husband was deciding to bring this down to my craft area, and he was like, hey, I'll take your China mail down. I was like, that is not China mail, that is Etsy mail. He just rolled his eyes at me. But this, I will tell you, is something I have been wanting for a long time. Let me try to get this open. And I have been saving up for it, and everybody else has received theirs. I'm behind the 8 ball. So I'm sure this is not really new to you, but it's new to me, and I'm super excited. This comes from a Facebook group, Diamond Painting Accessories. I'll put the link down below in the description for you, and then you buy off of the store Etsy. And I'll put also the name of the store down below. But the woman who does this, her name is Melanie, and I am so super excited. So there's this cute Melanie Lowry. It's etsy.com/shop/diamond paint access. So there you go. But I'll put the link down below for quick, easy access. And then she says, thank you for your order on the back. Super cute, Melanie. And I had been messaging her back and forth because I mostly use square containers from Harbor Freight. I have some right here next to me that we can use. Let me just get some. My daughter did her unboxing, so that's coming up if I haven't already posted it. Alright, so I've got my Harbor Freight containers right here ready to show. Okay, beautiful wrapping, Melanie. Thank you so much. And I do this a lot for confetti. And so when I saw her come up with this, I was like, you have hit jackpot. Everybody is going to want these. These are containers so that you can have your trays, multiple trays. And the square ones only come in a 4-pack. I asked if I could get a 6-pack made, and I know she tried, but she said no, unfortunately, due to what she needs to do to make this square happen, she can't do a 6-pack. But I got the circular one in a 6-pack. So I was so excited. So let's see how these work. So what I like to do is when I have confetti areas, I get my trays and I put them out under my easel right in front of me. And so she made it so it's all in one stand. And then when you pour your beads or your drills or your diamonds in here, you can then put your color right above. So you can refill your tray. And I just thought that was genius because some of us that do confetti this way we're not losing our trays and we know what color we're working with, so that's fantastic. And then the same is true for these. I'm just grabbing the random trays I have here, so you can see they fit multiple trays. Like these are the ones that come in Diamond Art Club. These gray ones are the ones that come in Diamond Dots, fantastic company. This one I just found, I didn't know there was a gray boat, is from Diamond Dots and Leisure Arts Sparkle Art. And then let me see my circles. Now I don't have any big circles, I only have these tiny ones. So I mean, they can go in here. The only other circle ones I have are in this thing, so I guess you could, you know, you'd have to be really careful, but you could unscrew and put here. I mean, it fits in here, but I wouldn't recommend, you know, I don't know, I'll have to figure that out. But there are some that are like this, that are this big around, and so I think that's what these are for. But that would work. Like if I just had this, you know, I guess I could put them in there, but I would want to have a lid on it. Who knows? I'll figure it out. But it was too amazing not to pass up. And I can do confetti now, and I can be with some of the big wigs out there that always find these diamond accessories. How do you guys do it? Because I try and try to find things, but I'd rather diamond paint than surf the web. So Melanie, amazing job. Thank you so much for answering all my questions, being a trooper, and trying out squares for me and seeing if I could get more than 6 or more than 4. Now I am saving up off of my, because I do use Harbor Freight a lot, so, but I wanted both a circle and a square. But I am saving up. This is what you guys do when you see ads for me. You allow me to buy things like this to show you on the channel. And so I plan on getting one more of these so that I can have a, you know, 2 sets of 4 for these. Depending on how much comes in this month, I might buy 2 and do 1 as a giveaway for as part of the 2,500 subscribers, because we are way past 1,800 subscribers, guys. Woohoo! Our family is growing. So the next giveaway is at 2,500 subscribers, and depending on you guys watching, you know, the 5-second ads, I may buy one of these in circle or square, depending on who wins and what they would like, and send that to you as part of the drawing, the giveaway. So be on the lookout for that. Just depends on how many friends join us between now and then. So until next time, I hope you have a fabulous week and enjoy diamond painting, and be blessed. Take care.